What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these trades to journal my trades. I also do these trades to help you guys out. So give me 1 second. Hope you guys having a great morning. Let me make sure my sound coming in. All right, market just opened. We have been grinding high overnight. We have been grinding higher. So I am going to kind of chill here off the open, see what we can find. We want to wait on our ORBs. So yesterday that was some fake news that happened on that spy outbreak where everything broke out. It was some fake tariff news. So we went up and came back down, kind of sitting right by all-time highs yesterday. That 520, 522 level on SPY. So that's the level we need to get above, see if we can break our pre-market highs or our pre-market lows. And we'll see what the chart wants to present for us today. So yeah, we went up and went down yesterday off that tariff news. And I think we lost everything. As soon as we went up, went right back down as soon as they presented that it was fake news. But good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. Y'all hit that like while y'all coming in. I appreciate that. My display right. All right, no really big movements at open, so probably gonna be one of those sessions. Have to chill, find a great setup. Metal, and put my third chart up. Amazon, Apple is still sitting. Apple lows are still sitting under Friday's low. So if we start moving towards the downside, I'm watching Apple under that one. I think it's 120 level, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. 190, my bad. 190. So Apple under 190 if we start moving towards the downside. But yeah, we'll chill, stay patient, see if we can find us a setup. We are on a 2-minute chart. I'm on a 2-minute chart, guys. What it do, Mason? What it do? Good morning. Black tie, what it do? Good morning. Y'all hit that like for me. Appreciate that. Time to get to the bag. Oh, yeah. There's plenty of chances to make some money yesterday, guys. So if you ain't hit it yesterday, it should be more opportunities for you, though. But it was a good day to get some money yesterday. See what the charts want to present to us today. Got Microsoft getting rejected. Apple getting rejected a little bit. Tesla, pretty strong right here. Yeah, let's see if we can break these highs. At 442 on QQQ is a strong weekly level. What it do, Shine? That boy Shine say AMD. All right, yeah, we breaking our pre-market highs. Let me look at AMD right quick. So AMD has resistance from yesterday at right around that $89, right around that range. And on the 15-minute, AMD is sitting right at the 200 moving average. I'll show you right here. See that? So we want to see if we can get above that. See if we can get above that pre-market yesterday's high. But SPY is pulling back right here. So let's see what SPY wants to do. Over here playing around. Moving toward the downside. Give me 1 second, guys. Trying to get my broker right. All right. SPY still getting rejected. All right. Let's see what happens. Eric, what it do? Mindful Matters, what it do? Good morning. Hope y'all having a great morning. Moving towards the downside here early. Let's see, everything kind of got rejected. Microsoft got rejected at a weekly level. Okay, QQQ. It's 9:37 on the clock. Yeah, SPY was pretty oversold right there. Or overbought, my bad. We'll wait for our 15-minute ORB, see if we can get a pull back. It's 9:38 on the clock. Not jumping in no early trades right now. That is a decent pullback right there on SPY though. If it stays right there, if it gets on the VWAP, that'll show me that we a little bearish right here. Let's see what it does right here on at VWAP. RSI showing a reversal. Oh, that was over here. All right, so we down. All right, so we already pulling back. Microsoft pretty strong. Tesla. Microsoft pretty strong right here, right, sitting right above, or sitting right at yesterday's high. Yeah, Microsoft got a lot of resistance right at that 372 level up above. So it's probably gonna pull back. Watch how much you want to bet. Yeah, we probably about to pull back. You see this right here? See how we at the top of that RSI? That's a pullback zone right here. So we probably gonna pull back. I will take this spot put right here. This is a nice spot put setup, guys. If you want to take it, I'm not gonna take it this early. I'm gonna wait, but it's a pullback on spot. If it passes that candle, you could take it. I'm not gonna take it though. Want to wait for some more confirmation. Yeah, Microsoft pulling back. All right. 9:40 on the clock. DDOG. Still holding that VWAP. SPY and QQQ is still holding that VWAP. We're on a 2-minute chart, guys. 9:41 on the clock. Look like AMD went up, retested that pre-market high right here. That green line is the pre-market high. let's see if we pull all the way back here. What it do? Positive Insights. Good morning. What it do? Trying to get this money, man. Y'all know what's up. So like we're going back in the range right here. Going back into the range. It might go up to pre-market high right there. Retest, but let's see. Amazon pulling under VWAP. Apple pretty strong. Damn, look at Amazon. Spot pulling back. Held that bottom right there with that 517. It's holding that VWAP. Let's see if it still holds it on this next candle. 20 seconds left. No really big movements at the moment. 9:44 on the clock. Amazon downtrending. Amazon is the only ticker that I see at the moment is under VWAP. Microsoft. 9:44 on the clock. Oh yeah, I like this in the video right here. Microsoft. Still watching, guys. We're kind of going back up in the range a little bit. You said Carvana. I never even seen Carvana ticker. CVNA. Kind of flagging right here. Kind of a bull flag, which way it breaks out. That's what I would take. I'm watching this the video right here. I'm gonna load in the video 105 calls. Actually 106 calls. See if we can get a pullback. We got above yesterday's high and pre-market high. So it looked like we held the bottom. Now it looked like if we can get above ORB level, above open price level also, right here on SPY, we get above open price level, we should see a little slight bullish trend starting. SPY's pulling back. Still on a 2-minute chart, guys. Netflix kind of strong. See if we can get a pullback right here on the video. Yeah, everything else moving kind of sideways. Nothing really broke the highs. We're probably gonna pull back here shortly. Not even gonna cap to you. The video is above yesterday's high. Everything else is kind of getting rejected right at yesterday's high. Yeah. Let me see what SPY does right here. See if we pull back. If we pull back and pass this NVDA candle right here, might be a good entry, but let's see. We're getting rejected right here from VWAP. That's the second time we got rejected. We came all the way down over here. Amazon. $11 seconds on this candle right here on the video. Still got NVDA calls loaded, but let's see what happens on SPY. Got the pullback right here on the video. What was that, Microsoft? Yeah. Still sitting in the range, guys, until we break out this range, man. I'm chilling. NVIDIA still pulling back, so good no call on that one. Damn, I knew Microsoft was gonna goddamn. I knew it was. Let's see if we bounce off this VWAP. NVIDIA held that 104 right there. See if it breaks. Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla moving towards the downside. All right, Tesla bounced off ORB right here. I still got those NVIDIA calls loaded. 105 calls. Still pulling back. I'll let it pull back. We need to get above ORB though. AMD back strong again. Kind of got the same chart on all. We're just moving sideways. We're gonna wait for this ORB to break though. I want to take this entry right here. All right, guys, I just got filled on the video. I'm light, so let's see what happens. I just took the pullback right here. Once we came down and pulled back past this candle right here, I just took the pullback. 9:53 on the clock, guys. If we break down past this 90 MA, this bottom that we have formed, I will exit. It's just holding that pre-market high right there. That's what I like. Holding that pre-market high right there. Came down, retested it. See if we can grind back up. QQQ is getting above ORB. We need SPY to break out. SPY and QQQ. SPY is sitting right around that open price level. If SPY gets above that open price level, we should get a pretty nice move, but we still getting rejected right now. There goes in the video a little bit. See this trend line right here? Little slight trend line. ORB level spot sitting right at the top at the 15-minute. ORB QQQ is sitting right at the top. Apple's breaking out. The video is sitting right at the top. We're in the video right now. I'm down 1% right now. Yeah, most stocks are moving towards the upside. So let's hold and see if we can get us a nice move out of this. There we go. We break even, guys. We break even. We are break even right now. See if we can break out right here. We need SPY to get above open price, though. Only down 2% right now. Stay patient. Yesterday, man, I missed the hell out of Amazon. I was in a trade. I got out because I felt like SPY was going to pull back at the 500 level yesterday. Amazon took off that fake news, that fake tariff news, man. Amazon took off. I missed it. I missed all of it, but I made it all on swing. I made it on swings though, but now we pulling back a little bit. Let's see. My stop is right under this pullback candle right here. This 104 level. That's my stop. Still holding them down 8% right now. See if we can take off right here. Down 3%. We're grinding higher a little bit. I like to see that. Okay. QQQ breaking out. That 442 on QQQ is a strong level, guys. So we got to watch out for that 442. Could get a rejection right here, but all right, QQQ. QQQ can break out. Only reason I use QQQ and the video, guys, damn, QQQ breaking out the video ain't doing shit. SPY and QQQ kind of moves identical, so I use both of them. There's SPY breaking out. Why the video ain't going? Damn, the video not even moving. That's crazy. Hopefully we'll get it here shortly. Damn, the video ain't even move. Bruh. That's crazy right there. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart, guys. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. I moved to the 5-minute chart at 10 a.m., guys. It gives me less candles and better entries. All right, we're on the 5-minute. See if the video can give us some strength here. We're down 8% right now. SPY and QQQ got above ORB. Microsoft getting above. Tesla, Google still sitting in a range. Now we getting rejected. Come on, bruh. My stop is down here at this 104 level. If we get under 104, I will exit. It's probably just pulling back again. Broke that trend right there. We bouncing again. I'm down 5% right now in the video calls. Nice chart though. We're in a decent chart right now. See if we can break out right here. Video need to break that 105. Start seeing some bread. Netflix pulling back. See a spot oversold. Ooh, yeah, we kind of towards the highs, boy. Man. They gotta be goddamn doing something right now. They gotta be playing us, bruh. We done went up. Ain't even really move. I'm still down 2%. I got in over here. All right, we getting a little green right now. Damn, they playing us. There we go. Shit. I'm still break even though, right there. Contract's really not paying. I'm up. I'm up like 1% right now. 2%. There we go. Goddamn. They gonna keep playing with us like that? I'm up 3% right now. We might get rejected right here. This 442 on QQQ, but let's see. I'm up 3% right now. Let's see if QQ gets above that 442. Yeah, I'm only up 4% off of that right there. Contract's not really moving pretty well. Where the Bulls at? Where the Bulls at? 11 seconds on this candle. No reason to exit right now. Stop loss still the same. This 104. Sitting at break even right now. See if we get pretty strong here. Let's go. Go ahead, QQQ. Need to get above that 442 right there. I'm up 5% right now. Probably will pull back to ORB here shortly. Wouldn't be surprised. Sitting at 4% right now. Damn. Yeah, we probably about to pull back, guys. I'm gonna take my 5% right there. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I know I got out early, but we're probably about to pull back. Let me see if Spot can get above right here. I'm out of NVDA calls, guys. I want to see if we can pull back right here on ORB. It's kind of not really giving me the price action that it wants to go. You can stay in if you would like, but I've seen this plenty of time, guys. Oh man, if it was gonna go, it would have went. Let's see what happens though. Not really showing any strength up there. Look at these other stocks. I will take a re-entry if we get back, if we retest and get back above. I don't know how far this shit gonna pull back. RSI is pretty high also. And QQQ is sitting at a strong weekly level. And if you don't know, NVIDIA is a tech stock. It's a chip stock. Yeah, AMD. Yeah, I'll let this play out. Sometimes it's okay to exit early, find a re-entry rather than taking a losing trade. You know what I'm saying? We was up 5%, but we had strong resistance right now. We are sitting at strong resistance. Doji candle. 1 minute on this candle. What is that? QQ, NVIDIA, Microsoft. All right. The video want to go now? It'll pull back. kind of gonna watch this SPY right here. SPY looking pretty good above this yesterday's high. Let me look. Oh yeah, if SPY can get above 526 around that area, if we get above that, it's a wrap. But we rejecting right now. Big rejection right here. See if it bounces right here. Oh, it bouncing. Okay. Okay. Watching SPY, guys. But it is kind of oversold on the RSI, man. Shit. I didn't mean to do that. Pulling back once again. Not in anything right now, guys. I was in the video calls, but started seeing a lot of weakness right around this 442 on QQQ, and I exited. All right, we bouncing off. Yeah, man, we really ain't. It's decent moves, but it's not really that clean, man. It's decent. We're not really the price action not really moving like at a decent pace. Y'all know we take the staircase up. So spies holding that high of yesterday. We'll let it do its thing right here. All right, SPY. Wicking off right here. They keep playing. I'm about to load up puts. They keep playing. I'm about to load up puts in a minute. Keep showing me you weak. You don't want to go. See, the video still sitting in that same area. Yeah, it look like we about to get rejected, guys. Let's see what happens. Red, red spot gonna pull back. I'm thinking volume dropping. Yeah, it's slowing down. That's why I got out in the video cause it's slowing down. I'm just waiting for a big wick or big rejection or something. I'm probably about to load up puts here in a minute. Not even gonna lie. Say we need to make a higher low. Yeah, we do. We got a low right here. Went up, pulled back, but NVDA pretty strong here, man. It's holding. It's holding. I don't trust Spy though. Spy. Something gonna make the market tank here in a second. Or we might get strong. Who knows? Look like they're just killing contracts right now, playing the game. Look in the video. I'll get back in the video if we pass this candle right here. 105. It's just not showing no strength. You see how we got above, but we're not really taking off. See, I like to see a lot of volume coming through when we pass the pullback candle. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit! I just entered the video calls. It's holding, so it's not really dropping off. I just entered some of the video calls right here. Re-entry, stop loss, right below this 9 EMA right here. Watch how I was just sitting there talking. How much you want to bet that motherfucker reject right here? How much you want to bet? This shit weak, man. Fuck. Microsoft kind of decent too. Microsoft got a pullback counter right here. Oh, nah, it's not a pullback, but still a decent entry though. It pulled back to the ORB. I'm down 3% on the video calls. I just re-entered off the pullback right here to the ORB. Now watch it pull all the way back right when I get in. 107. Can we get something? Something decent? This is a nice pullback right here on Microsoft, but I wouldn't enter anything right now, you guys. The RSI is kind of overbought right now. Probably about to reject here in a minute. Not really giving no clean movements, man. Just stagnant, playing around. Now we rejecting again. NVDA RSI 74. Yeah, I'm probably about to exit this. I'm still in. I'm down 4%. Sitting at break even right now, guys. There we go. We up 2%. Still pulling back though. Sitting right around break even. Come on, the video. Give me a scalp or something. A little 15%, 20% scalp. I'll call it a day. I know y'all don't want to move today. I know Wall Street don't want to move the market today. They don't want us to get none of that easy money how we got yesterday off of that fake news. They don't want us to get that easy money. Come on, Nvidia, go ahead. If you're gonna go, go. There you go. Shit. Up 2%. We're still grinding higher, so I'm just chilling. I'm just in the trend. I joined the trend. I'm just chilling. I'm up 2% right now. Probably about to pull back, man. Charts do not want to move. Yeah, this 105 level is going to be my stop if we come back down to 105. SPY's pulling back. Come on, NVIDIA. Give me some. We can't get a 10% out of this. That's crazy. All right, guys. I just exited at break even. I'll watch it, man. I ain't got time to play with this chart today. All right, JK Dub. All right, I'm about to be out here in a minute, man. These charts playing around today. I exited at break even. I ain't even take a loss. I ain't even wanna play with it. had that big move it overnight. We had a little a slight gap up overnight. Damn, Apple was the damn chart that was moving. Apple moving. But shit, Apple still got a lot of wicks right here. Apple only moved $3 from the ORB. Yeah. You say your inputs they not paying? Yeah, that volatility probably fucking everything up. I kind of want to take these QQQ puts right here. Watch they move right around 11, about 11 o'clock. Watch the chart start, all the charts start moving. How much you want to bet? The 20 and the VWAP go pushing the video up. In my opinion, it has strong bounce off that 200. 20 and VWAP. I'm worried about that. Watching. You talking about off the video? Search chart a lot. You're watching the VWAP and the 20 off the video. Yeah. I was using that 104 level because that 104 level, pretty strong level. Right there. You can see we had all those candles came down right there. So I wanted to use that 104 level as strong support. But now SPY kind of moving a little bit. Just the grind higher, man. The slow grind higher. You just got to sit in it, man. You're trying to get quick moves on the calls. Might not get it. It's just how yesterday. You might not get it. Look at it. Look, we rejecting again. This must be some news because we moving kind of fast. Okay, nah. Got a wick, got a doji candle. Wick at the top and the bottom. I wouldn't be surprised if we reverse here shortly. Because of how many times it tapped the top of this open range breakout, we should have been took off. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes it'll play around with you. Stock's not really gonna go 100% your way every time. You know they got to play around somehow to take our money somehow to try to take our money. Look at that on QQQ. Wait. Let me see what the 15-minute looking like. 15-minute chart. Let's see what it's looking like. $21 seconds. With that Netflix just got back under ORB. Ooh. There it is, pulling back. I told you it was coming. Good thing I exited. I told you I've seen it a lot, man. We just play around the top of ORB and go back in. Now we might get some strength and go back. SPY is still holding this yesterday's high. Now we might pull back and go back up, but RSI is sitting right around 65 on SPY. 60 on the video, so the video got some room to go, but SPY got these wicks right here. QQQ pulling back. Don't that look like a pullback to you guys? Look like it's a reversal, to be honest. 107. There it is. There it is. There it is. So great exit on the video. Y'all see what I was talking about? I told y'all I've seen it plenty of times. If we get above ORB and we're not really showing no strength in the first 10, 15, couple 5-minute candles, hey, go ahead, start wrapping it up. It's just how I trade. Everything I tell you guys, man, it's just how I trade. This is my opinion, man. My opinion, this is how I trade. This is how I make me money. This is how I make my family money. This is how I survive throughout the stock market. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just showing you insights on how I do it, man. That's why I exited in the video right there. I just seen that we was about to reverse. That's why I exited. Yeah, so we'll probably reverse, probably catch a trend coming down. But if we get back into this range, it might range around for a little bit. Or we could just pull back and get some more strength. It was just time for a reversal. I mean, it was just time for a pullback. So, and the video RSI 959. Yeah, it's probably about to go now, huh? Could go now. 10:32 on the clock, guys. 10:32 on the clock. So it looked like we were reversing here. If we don't reverse, if we get a pullback and another bounce, you could take a trade off of there. But if we pull all the way back on SPY right here, if we pull back under this open price level, this 523, I'm pretty sure we'll see more downside. But yeah, I broke even on the day. I got in the video twice. I got like 4 or 5% out of the first trade. Got back in. I kind of was down like 2%, kind of break even on the day, but it's all good. We ain't really getting no clean movements, no quick movements like we did yesterday, but it's okay though. We still got 3 more days this week. If y'all swinging, hey, if y'all are in the Discord, I did add this shit in the Discord, but I'll add it here in the comments too. If you're looking for some swings, I am an affiliate of Honey Drip Discord. You can add my link. I'll put it in the comments. And you can get in on the swings. Let's see. I've been in this Discord for 2 weeks. I just use it for long term. Y'all know I day trade. I'm not really great when it comes to swings and leaps and stuff like that. But I got the money to play with it. You know what I'm saying? So that's the big bag, you guys. That's the big bag if you want to get into it, man. Leap, swings, day trade. You can get a big bag on day trading too, but that leaps and swings is kind of like sit down and just wait for it to hit. You know what I'm saying? You don't really have to put too much behind it. But yeah, man, I added my link right there. I am an affiliate. So if you add that link, you will get in. It is $165 a month, but think about it. I started 2 weeks ago. This is what I made the past week. This is just the past week. Everybody see that? It costs us $165 a month, though. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get into swings, man, I know a lot of y'all was asking me about swings and leaps. There you go. I'm watching for a bounce back RSI 60 in the video just watching. Yeah, if we keep wicking right here, it should bounce again, but I don't like the price action right here on SPY, QQQ, every other stock. Like, look at it, look at everything else. Look at this. Tesla looking about the same, couldn't get above ORB. Amazon sitting in between ranges. Google sitting in between the range. This is why I love the ORB. The ORB gonna tell you if you should trade it or not. But yeah, y'all get the gist, man. But yeah, if you can't get something off of that, if it still keeps holding that 4-1, what level is that? That 104, 105? Yeah. If it keeps holding that 104, we could get a bounce off that sometime today. It just ain't gonna it ain't happening right now. We're probably gonna get it sometime today, but I'm gonna call it a day, guys. We'll be back tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. sharp. Y'all have a nice afternoon, and I'll see you guys 9:30 a.m. All right.